Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video, we shall be looking at how to use one name on Facebook. Yes, we shall be looking at how you can easily use a single name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. Before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, just search for VPN lite. So you can see this application over here. Search for VPN lite. Now you can see this application over here has more than 10 million plus download. So just go ahead and download this application. Now once you have downloaded VPN lite, go ahead and open your VPN lite. So once you open this application, click on OK. Then you can see accept. Click on accept. So you can see the servers over here. So scroll to where you can see Indonesia. Click on Indonesia. And you can see loading. So click on the second one, Jakarta. Click on the second one and you can see loading cities. So click on start. And make sure you are connected to this VPN. So you can see connected. Now once you are connected, go back and make sure you update your Facebook application. So open your Play Store to update your Facebook to the latest version. So if your Facebook application is not updated, update your Facebook. So make sure you update your Facebook to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Facebook, go ahead and open your Facebook application. So just open your Facebook. Once you click on your Facebook, once you open your Facebook, click on your profile over here at the top right corner. And once you click on that, just wait. Click on settings over here, or settings and privacy. And once you click on settings and privacy, you can see your profile over here. You can see more in account center. Click on that. Once you click on see more in account center, you can see profile and personal details. Click on profile and personal details, and once you are done, click on any of your profile, the one that you want to use a single name on. Now you can see name over here. Click on name. Now once you click on name, we have the first name and then the last name. So the first name, all you need to do is to enter your first name over here, your single name. And for the second one, just enter a space bar over here. And once you enter the space bar, you can see review change. This means we are almost done. Once you click on review changes and accept the new single name, your account will be a single name. So this is how you can easily use a single name on your Facebook profile. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and also subscribe for more.